Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am reading a story. I am reading The World Made a Rainbow by Michelle Robinson and illustrated by Emily Hamilton. All of the world had to stay home today. I wish that it didn't. I wanted to play. I missed everybody. My grandma, my friends. My mom said, "You'll see them once everything mends." Let's paint a big rainbow to put on display. When people pass by it and see it, they will say, "All rainstorms must end, and this rainstorm will too." And they'll feel a bit happier, all thanks to you. So we dig out the paint pots. I love making art. We've got lots of red, and so that's where I start. But red makes me think of the chairs in my class. Mom gives me a cuddle. This rainstorm will pass. I can't reach the orange, but Mom has to work, and my dad's with my brother, who's going berserk. I'll paint with the yellow. It's bright like the sun. I'll spread it around with the red. This will be fun. I've made my own orange, but I can't make green. I need blue for that, but the blue paint's been wiped clean. I start to feel lonely. I start to feel sad. Then how about odd bits of cardboard, says Dad. He cuts and I stick, and my brother helps too. We have to mix flour and water for glue. It looks really good. Like the ocean, says Mom, and all the adventures that will still go on. To beaches, the city, the forest, the park. The light couldn't shine if it never knew dark. And rainbows can't color the world without rain, so we get back to work on my rainbow again. I've never quite been sure what indigo's like. Dad laughs. Indigo? Like your very first bike. And they dig out a memory box I've never seen, packed with mementos from places we've been. I shout indigo as I spot my mom's jeans. Well, I can't cut them out, so we'll have to use magazines. Then Dad takes a picture for Graham and I say, "Memories are good. We'll make more every day." My rainbow looks great. There's just Violet to go. Violet, the loveliest person I know. Violet's my best friend. I miss her so much. Mom fetches her laptop. Let's put you in touch. And wouldn't you believe, Violet feels just like me, and she's making a rainbow for people to see. We walk to see hers, and she walks to see mine. We wave to each other, and really, it's fine. Not perfect, but neither's my rainbow. So what? I'm perfectly happy with all that I've got. Violet, my parents, my brother, my friends. And we'll still have each other when this rainstorm ends. The end.